What if I told you that eating only meat could actually help you lose fat, boost your energy, and even clear up brain fog? Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what the carnivore diet promises. And today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know, step by step, to start the carnivore diet safely and successfully, even if you're a total beginner. We'll talk about what to eat, what to avoid, the stages your body goes through, how to manage cravings, and how to make sure you're getting all your nutrients. So grab your notebook or your favorite drink, because by the end of this video, you'll have your very own carnivore roadmap. Before you jump in, let's clear up what the carnivore diet actually is. It's a type of zero-carb, animal-based diet where you eat only foods that come from animals. That means meat, fish, eggs, and sometimes dairy. Think of it as the extreme version of keto. No carbs, no plants, no sugars, no grains. Just protein and fat. The philosophy behind it is simple. Humans evolved eating animal foods. Plants have anti-nutrients that can cause inflammation and digestive issues for some people. By removing them, your body can reset and heal from the inside out. People who follow the carnivore diet often report better mental clarity, steady energy throughout the day, improved digestion, weight loss, less bloating and inflammation. But, and this is important, it's not just about eating steak all day. There's a method to doing it right, so let's go step by step. So what's on the menu? Here's a simple list of carnivore-approved foods. Beef, ribeye, ground beef, steak, lamb, pork, bison, venison, organ meats like liver, heart, and kidney. These are nutritional powerhouses. Salmon, sardines, tuna, shrimp, oysters. Whole eggs cooked any way you like. Animal fats and dairy, if tolerated. Butter, ghee, heavy cream, hard cheeses. Drinks, water, sparkling water, bone broth. Black coffee or unsweetened tea, optional. Everything else, off the table. That means no sugar, no fruit, no vegetables, no grains, and no processed foods. Pro tip, when you're just starting out, keep your meals simple. Think beef, salt, and water for the first few weeks. You can always experiment later once your body adjusts. Okay, so you know what to eat. Now comes the hardest part, the transition phase. If you're coming from a high-carb or standard diet, your body will need time to adjust to burning fat for fuel instead of glucose. Here's what to expect in the first few weeks. Fatigue or brain fog as your body adapts. Cravings for sugar or carbs. Possible headaches or irritability, also known as the carnivore flu. Don't panic. This is temporary. You're basically retraining your metabolism to ease the transition. Stay hydrated. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Add electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium. Eat enough fat. Don't undereat. You'll feel worse if you try to restrict calories early on. Your body needs time to adapt. Give it about 3 to 4 weeks. Now that you're in, let's talk about how to structure your meals and day. Most people on carnivore naturally eat 1 to 2 meals per day because fat and protein keep you full longer. Here's an example daily routine. Meal 1 around noon, 3 to 4 eggs cooked in butter, 1 ribeye steak. Meal 2 around 6 p.m., ground beef with salt, side of salmon or liver. That's it. No snacks, no calorie counting, no macros. But listen, this isn't about forcing yourself to eat less. If you're hungry, eat more. The goal is to eat until comfortably full and let your body regulate appetite naturally. Pro tip, focus on fatty cuts of meat like ribeye, chuck roast, and 80-20 ground beef. Lean meats can leave you tired or hungry. You might not see changes overnight, but within 2 to 4 weeks, you'll notice weight loss, less bloating, better digestion, steady energy. Track how you feel, not just the number on the scale. Keep a journal or use an app to note energy levels. Sleep quality, mood and focus, cravings or digestive changes. This helps you spot patterns and make small adjustments. If you feel great, keep going. If you're tired or moody, check your electrolytes and fat intake. those are usually the culprits. Once you've been doing carnivore for a month, you can start to fine-tune things. Here are a few adjustments you might consider. Add organ meats. They're rich in vitamins like A, B, and iron. Experiment with dairy. Some people do well with cheese or cream, others don't. Try intermittent fasting. Once your energy stabilizes, you might find you naturally eat less often. Use salt freely. It's your best friend on this diet. And if you ever hit a plateau, switch up your protein sources or meal timing. Your body adapts, so keep it flexible. Let's be honest, the carnivore diet isn't for everyone, and it comes with challenges. Here's how to handle them. Low energy. Eat more fat or add bone broth for electrolytes. Cravings. Try drinking sparkling water or black coffee when cravings hit. Social events. Eat before you go or bring your own food. Trust me, it gets easier. Digestive changes. Totally normal early on. Your gut is adjusting. Stick with it. Remember, this isn't about perfection, it's about progress and consistency. Once you've been doing this for a while, the results speak for themselves. Most people report fat loss without hunger, steady energy and no midday crashes, mental clarity, better sleep, reduced inflammation and pain. And the best part? Food freedom. No more counting calories, no tracking macros, no guilt after meals. Just simple, satisfying food that fuels your body. If you decide to make carnivore part of your lifestyle, here's how to stay consistent. Eye your meats in bulk. Saves money and time. Meal prep simple. Cook once, eat twice. Keep salt, butter, and eggs stocked. Find a carnivore community. It helps to connect with others on the same path. Don't stress perfection. Even 90% carnivore can bring benefits. You might find that you feel so good, you won't even want to go back. The carnivore diet isn't a fad. It's a powerful tool for resetting your metabolism, reducing inflammation, and simplifying your relationship with food. But remember, it's not one size fits all. Start slow, listen to your body, and make it sustainable for you. If you're curious, try it for 30 days. That's all it takes to see real changes. Your full step-by-step beginner's guide to the carnivore diet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's thinking about trying carnivore. And let me know in the comments, would you ever try eating only meat for 30 days? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.